Alright guys, so if your mouse cursor still looks like this boring default one, we're gonna fix that right now and turn it into a super cool animated cursor in Windows 11, and yeah, it's completely free. So first, go ahead and open up your browser and just search for mouse cursor on Google. Now you'll see a bunch of websites, but the one I like to use is called Swissie Cursors. Just click on that and boom, you can see there are tons of really cool animated cursors here. Just scroll around, pick whatever you like and go ahead and download it. Alright, once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder. If the file is in zip format, just right click on it and click extract all. Then go to Bluetooth and devices, click on mouse, and now click on additional mouse settings. This will open up the mouse properties window. From here, go to the pointers tab, and now this is where the magic happens. Click on any option like normal select, then click on browse. Now go to the folder where you extracted your cursor, select the cursor file and click open. After that, just click apply and then click OK. And just like that, your cursor is now animated. But wait, there's actually more. If you want, you can also change other cursor styles, like when you hover over links, just scroll down, select link select, click pause again and apply another cursor. And yeah, now your whole setup looks way cooler. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick and easy upgrade for your PC. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more simple tech fixes, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.